Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly copy your cards in Trello. Now guys, you can easily copy a card to a specific list or even to a different board. How cool is that? So let me show you. I'm going to copy, for example, this Instagram card here in the doing section. So all I have to do is just right click on that and you'll have the option to copy a card. And here you can see that you can copy even all the attributes that come with it. Now you can simply choose a board if you want to copy that to a board. And I'm going to show you as well. I'm going to choose for example, the Taco Bell board here. Let me go to Taco Bell section here and I'm going to choose, for example, this one here, meeting, and I'm going to create the card here and that card is copied. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up this Instagram board again and show you. I can simply click on copy from here as well. And I can just choose even the current board that I have, but I can choose a different list. So let's say I want to move this to the done list. I can copy it and I can create. And that's it. Now once I close out, you will see that I have an Instagram card here in the doing. I have one in the done, and you can also see afterwards. Now once I go ahead and I switch the different boards, so let me go ahead and go back to, for example, my Taco Bell workspace here. And here you can see that I now over to a different workspace and I go to the one-on-one meeting. I believe this is the one that I put it. And you can see now that I have it. Now I should have it somewhere here called Instagram. Let me see if I find it. Here you have it at the bottom, guys. And that's it. It's created and it's now into, and the Instagram card is now added there. And that's it. That's how you go ahead, guys, and copy cards in Trello. So you can copy a card from one list to another list, or from one board to another board, or even from one workspace to another workspace. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. So you can choose if you want to create cards like this by copying a card, or you can even create your own templates and you can use those templates over there as well. So keep this in mind, guys. Very easy and very simple.